Now, as far as your syllabus is concerned, micro teaching skills, we can have question skills. It could be written as questioning skills. She just introduced herself in a very polite way and interacting with the students. But here the point was, she should ask the question after that. Suppose that would be your second or third day, or might be your first day of delivering the lesson. After interaction with the students, now we will have to come to the main topic. To come up on the main topic, what we have to do? We will have to test the knowledge. As you spoke about this, previous knowledge testing. So what is previous knowledge testing? It is actually the questioning skills that you are using.